and welcome. Thank you for joining us today for our second shareholder presentation of 2022. My name is King Hobson, vision creator, award-winning artist, serial entrepreneur, founder, and CEO of Diiclae. Today, you will learn how to properly evaluate your artwork for a profit. We've been working with persistence to lower the barrier of entry into the NFT and art market with an unwavering mission to provide more opportunities, simplify the process, and bridge the gap between digital and physical assets. So without further ado, let's get to it. Introducing our first mobile app home for the next generation of artists, Diiclae. Backed by its own cryptocurrency, Diiclae, Diiclae is an entire ecosystem of emerging creators and prominent collectors. So how did we get here? I began this journey as a traditional artist using paint on canvas. Then I became a digital artist and used Diiclae, which allowed me to print any image of my artwork onto canvas textured fabric to create a canvas print. From there, I launched an art distribution company giving all artists this same ability. We then launched certificates of authenticity, which acts as an ID to the artwork, identifying owner, creator, dates it was created and sold, and its value. We've replaced the letter G from Diiclae with a D, and we land at Diiclae. So why Diiclae? What are we solving here? Well, as a traditional artist, I sold my originals, but after discovering Diiclae canvas prints, I immediately regretted. I reached out to my collectors and I offered to pay double the original price. They declined my offer and maintained ownership of my originals. I also did not include a certificate of authenticity proving ownership and value for the consumer, nor did I tie in a smart contract granting me royalties for when they decide to resell. So there must be a solution, and that's where Diiclae comes in. Diiclae is the Wall Street of creation where art is the stock. We provide an all-in-one art distribution platform, automated appreciation rates, where Diiclae allows you to track the value of your artwork as it ages. Leading us to our next why. Why is Diiclae backed by its own blockchain? Well, number one, Diiclae minimizes transaction fees and allows smart contracts for royalties and appreciation value. Number two, Diiclae minimizes friction for international payments and processing. Currently operating in 6 countries, we have artists in Egypt, Nigeria, but I'd like to introduce you to Daria. She's been working for us for 2 years, all the way from Russia, and within that time, she's done great to herself thanks to the US dollar. But what happens when Russia strikes Ukraine? This sanctions the US dollar worthless. So are we building a platform just for US-based artists? No, we are not. And as you can notice from our traction, we currently have 200 plus paying customers. We're cash flow positive, building in a global art industry with a market size of 130 billion. And with 30 billion in our serviceable area of expertise, we've created an elaborate 5-year roadmap to capture 10% of this market at 3 billion. So how does it work? Creators upload their cover image along with their content, set their resale value, and consumers purchase limited canvas prints and NFTs with the QR code leading to the art certificate of authenticity. We have competitors in almost every sector of the market, with each neglecting the needs of the creators and the collectors. But Diiclae, being a platform created by an artist who struggled with monetization, we provide every way imaginable for creators and collectors to earn globally, all in one solution. And we're monopolizing this market using simplification of our blockchain, currency, wallet, affordability, and most importantly, no other art company has our automation business model. Automating appreciation rates and tax benefits, Diiclae lets you buy, track, trade, and sell any art you want, anywhere you are, in a digital and physical form. All for a small fee, of course. We earn money a few different ways. 2.5% of all blockchain transactions, a manufacturing and distribution fee, a platform fee allowing users to have monthly subscribers to their art clubs, and last but not least, a liquidity pool holding 1/3 of our own coins. And being that we're already selling certificates of authenticity, and that's what an NFT is, Our first attack to the market will be converting our current users. And we target these users directly via referral strategies, strategic partnerships with wedding planners, art galleries, and art departments of schools. We'll also host Diiclae Fest, which is a local art show, and provide 500 day coins to buyers of our initial NFT drop. And we began business January 2020 as Da Vinci Studios. We then bootstrapped our way to Diiclae, launching our MVP June 2021. We're on track to launch our NFT marketplace September this year and our blockchain immediately following a few months afterwards. Now we're raising a seed of $500K in the form of a safe with a $5 million cap table, with the purpose of expediting our growth within the next 12 to 18 months with an outcome of achieving a milestone of 15,000 transactions, which would net us 1.3 million in profit at 45% profit margins. Now, this process requires over a quarter going into our product and development, and the remaining broken down into our operations, marketing, business, and development costs. From there, we'll raise a price round Series A of 10 million at a $55 million valuation. Now, this team you're looking at is the Chicago Bulls 96-97, and I'm Michael Jordan. Scholastic gold medalist, my specialty is in sales. Now, Muhan Song successfully built a company, made an exit, and achieved his master's in science and project management. And last but not least, we have John Bardis, our full stack tech developer who has his own Web3 company. We've been selected to participate in the Battery, which is a Silicon Valley incubator. And here we have some of our IAs who's helped us grow even further. Larry Rowe, professor of computer science, Salim Sadiq, blockchain scalable solutions, and Andre Carruthers, leadership development. And in the fight of giving the leverage back to the artist, this is just the beginning. And as always, it's a pleasure. Thank you for choosing us at Diiclae, home for the next generation of artists. Kindly scan our QR code for more info. Thank you.